Hi there. This video will probably take a couple of days to put together, but it's essentially about artificial intelligence, the current buzzword AI, which puts a lot of fear into a lot of people, especially creative people. I'm one of them. My degree was in fine art, but I spent years in multimedia, filming, putting 3D together, etc., etc. And one of the things I filmed was a couple of the professors at King's College talking about known knowns or unknown unknowns or known unknowns, machine learning, which is part of the AI complex.
So there are algorithms which find us the known knowns, then there are algorithms which are able to extract the known unknowns, and as of very, very recent, there are algorithms which are even able to extract the unknown unknowns from our data sets. An example of the first class of algorithms, the known knowns, is simple linear regression. So for example, assume we instrumented a shop in the high street with sensors which are able to measure the amount of goods on the shelves. If we now plotted that amount against time, linear regression would allow us to establish the best fit for how quickly the shelves are being emptied. An example of the second class of algorithms, the known unknowns, is machine learning. Now here, sophisticated algorithms are able to arrange data into clusters of prior specified characteristics. In addition, these algorithms are able to predict most likely events to occur. With our previous example, machine learning would be able to establish which products are being taken off, at what rate, and therefore enable better supply chain decisions.
You find there's camps, there's enemy camps. So there's fors and against the modern technology, pretty much as there was with the advent of computer art or digital art. And in fact, we're still dealing with that. The traditional or analog artists are fighting or disagree with the digital art. I had something very recently where this person said, oh no, we can't accept that, it's digital art. And I said, yes, but the process is still the same. We're using iPads and we're using Procreate, and it's still an artistic development, an artistic creation. Oh, no, she said, we can't accept that. We're only going to accept, and it was only, I should finish that. We're only going to accept traditional art. And at the moment I said that, because if I hadn't said that, she wouldn't have picked it up, because it looked like it was traditional art. And that's where I try and bridge, or in fact I have bridged the gap between traditional and digital. I'm going to put some articles which are fors and against, and you will see for yourself basically the fights that are going on, and they will probably continue going on. Again, it's very much what we had with the photography years ago, the advent of photography, or photography as a creative art. And we had the traditional artists fighting the photographers and saying, oh no, this is not a traditional art. We've had that with watercolor. So let's get back to this video. A video essentially about AI, but at the time of videoing anyway, it's fairly new-ish. It's been going for, well, under the name AI, it's been going for about 2 years. But it's becoming very prevalent, and every application mentions AI. But we will see how artificial intelligence, one form or another, has been used for years. And now that it's got a name and it's being developed and it's becoming an element on its own, should we say, it's actually creating enemy camps.